Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be teaching you to look PLL. This step comes after you solve the top. PLL has only 6 algorithms, which means it's pretty easy to learn. First step is to solve the corners, and there are 2 cases you can have. The first one is where 2 of them are solved. If this occurs, hold the 2 solved corners on the left and do this algorithm. First, we're going to focus on this pair. We're going to take it out and then put it back in. And then for this algorithm, moves actually cancel. So when you do this insert, instead of doing it like this, you'll just do F prime at the end and then R2. So R prime F R2, put the pair here, do U prime, and put the pair back, and just F prime. Now you have all of the corners solved. Now for this case, it's basically that same algorithm, but in a different order. So you're going to take this pair, you're going to do F prime, and then you're going to put it here, do U prime, put it back. Next, you're going to focus on this pair. You're going to take it out and then put it back in with sledgehammer. Next step is to solve the edges. For these 2 cases, it is a 3 cycle of edges, which means you have to cycle 3 edges. This means that one of the edges will be solved. Hold the solved edge in the back, like this. Now for this case, when the opposite color is on the left, you're going to do M2, put this one right here with U prime, M, U2, M prime, move this over here, U prime, M2. Now for this case, it's basically the same. You have a solved edge in the back, but instead of the opposite color being over here, it's on the right over here. So instead of going M prime U prime, you go M2, and then you put the opposite one right here, M, U2, M prime, put this here, and then do M2. These are the other 2 edge cases. This one right here needs these 2 to be swapped and these 2 to be swapped. And the other one has these 2 need to be swapped and these 2 need to be swapped. So for the first one, for this one, the algorithm is M2, U, M2, U2, M2, U, M2. Now for the second one, you want to hold it so that the 2 pieces are in the front and the left. Do M prime, U, M2, U, M2, U, M prime, U2, M2, U prime. I will do 2 examples. So now for this one, I have 2 headlights right here, basically solved corners. And then I will do the first algorithm. Now all of my corners are solved. Next, I have this side solved here, so I'll move this solved edge to the back, right here. And then I will do this algorithm when the opposite color is on the left. And then undo the AUF. So now the next one is this one, and I have no corners solved. So then now I will do the second algorithm. It goes like this. Now all of my corners are solved. Now I have this case, so I will hold them on the front and the left and do the algorithm. And then I don't have to a buff at the end.